We are camped up at Wynyard, come in here for 2 nights, hooked up to power, and we're doing our washing. Not many people here, which is nice. It was packed on the weekend because I had the tulip festival. Checking out the couple of sites. Karen didn't get to go to the tulip farm, so we're going to do that tomorrow, and then all depends from there where we're going to go. There's nothing better when you come to a powered site, caravan park, to have a long hot shower, because you try and save your water when you're in your van. So these amenities are a little bit older, but they're done quite nice. It's made it feel very homely, even though it's dated. Look at that. And these are the showers. Tiny little door. But the shower was nice and hot. And that's what we want. And clean. Morning. Things you do when you're on holidays, you have to do your washing, so we're doing our sheets. So I'm just sitting here, catching up, calling family and stuff while I wait for the washing. It's a beautiful day though. Wow, a little rainforest right in the heart of Wynyard that you can walk through. That's pretty cool, but I'm following the river. So I'm going to have to touch the bridge. Honey, I'm home. How are you feeling, Kaz?
Alright.
Did you get to rest while I was out?
I'm still reading. I've got this much to go.
It's your second book. At least you can rest here. It's a nice sunny position, isn't it?
Yep.
I've got the
Peter getting a tan.
fever going. I hope you feel better tomorrow.
Me too.
Another beautiful day here at Wynyard in Tassie. Hopefully it'll stay this way for a few days. Poor Kaz is still copping it with this cold, but we want to move on. So we might be heading off to Railton. We'll see when we hit the road. Just having a stroll along the Pulp paper trail in South Burnie. There was a big factory just across the highway from here where they made the paper up until 1962 to 2010, I think it said.
Yeah.
And it goes for 600 metres. Let's go have a look. I'm not sure if that's part of the old factory. It was meant to be across the road. So let's sign off. Oh, I'm eating. Oh. Sorry.
We can't
I
rush.
just remembered.
We can't rush eating nuts.
True. Hurry up.
Stop it. Okay.
That's Karen and I'm Monique. And we'd love that you can come on a journey with us. Stuffed it up.
Okay, ready?
Do we want that in the background? Oh, you stay there. I'll move.
No, I've got to get up.
Look.
No, I have to get up.
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh.
we're opposite net. Ready? Oh.
Bit bad with the...
Hi, I'm Karen,
And I'm Monique.
and we're so glad that you could come on a journey with us.
Journey.
I'm a bit tired. I sounded pissed then.